Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ram 1500 headlights is probably one of the most important upgrades you can make for your classic 1998 Dodge Ram 1500. Not only do they enhance the look of your truck, but they also significantly improve your visibility at night and in adverse weather conditions. Choosing the right headlights can make a huge difference in both safety and aesthetics, ensuring your truck looks great and performs at its best. Number 5. DWVO Headlight Assembly for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Are you looking to upgrade your Dodge Ram's headlights? This assembly is designed specifically for 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 and 1994 to 2002 Ram 2500 3500 models. It's a direct replacement for your old headlamps. This headlight assembly is compatible with Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models within the specified years. The bulb type is 9004, but bulbs are not included. Make sure it fits your vehicle. The integrated metallized reflectors enhance light distance. This improves visibility and driving safety, especially in low light conditions. It helps you see the road ahead more clearly. The fully sealed structure prevents moisture from entering the housing. This ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, such as rain, snow, or dust storms. You can count on it. The durable polycarbonate lenses protect against road debris and impacts. The high-impact housing withstands shock and vibration during off-road adventures. It's built to last. This headlight assembly is a direct replacement for your existing headlamps. Professional installation is highly recommended. It comes as a pair, including both the driver and passenger sides. What we like. This headlight assembly significantly boosts visibility with its enhanced reflectors, ensuring safer driving in any conditions. The fully sealed design keeps moisture out, making it reliable in rain or snow. If you frequently drive in challenging weather or off-road, this is a great choice. You'll appreciate how well it holds up against road debris. What people say. The lenses are clear but the inserts inside the lens were black. I was shocked to find that they are almost perfectly aligned. I haven't experienced any problems with condensation inside the lenses, and no problems with leaking either. Number 4. Auto Dynasty Headlights for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Tired of those old, worn-out headlights? These are designed to replace your factory units and give your truck a fresh, updated appearance. They're a perfect fit for your Dodge Ram. These headlights are compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 models from 1994 to 2001 and Ram 2500 and 3500 models from 1994 to 2002. Please note that it does not fit Sport and Ram van models. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing. The set includes 2 headlights and 2 corner lamps for both the driver and passenger sides. This complete set allows you to replace your old headlights with ease. It's everything you need for a full upgrade. Made from durable polycarbonate material, these headlights are built to withstand the elements. They're waterproof sealed to ensure long-lasting performance, even in harsh weather conditions. You can rely on them for years to come. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. It directly bolts onto your vehicle without any drilling or modifications. Just replace your old ones, and you're good to go. Please note that bulbs are not included. These headlights use halogen bulbs, specifically 9004 high-low beam, and 3157A signal lights, which are not included. The housing is black, and the lens is clear. The OEM part numbers and parts link numbers are also listed for your reference. What we like. This set comes with both headlights and corner lamps, offering a complete upgrade for your truck's look. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution to refresh your truck's appearance, this is perfect. You'll love how easy it is to install. What people say. 3 years and still good. The installation was a breeze, the lights are wonderful and so very bright. So the changeover from halogen to LED was easy. Overall it was a great improvement item to put on my truck and I'm quite satisfied. Nice set of headlights for the price, pretty easy to install. Look excellent on my Cummins. Adds a clean look, better than the stock headlights for sure. Good fit, good look. Number 3. Nilight Ram 1500, 2500, 3500 headlight assembly. Are you looking for a perfect headlight replacement? This assembly is designed for 1994 to 2002 Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. It's a direct fit, ensuring easy installation. Forget about complicated installations. This headlight assembly features a plug-and-play design, meaning no modifications or drilling are needed. You can have it installed in about 15 minutes. Worried about moisture? This headlight assembly is IP65 rated and completely sealed to prevent any water intrusion. A ventilation hole regulates the temperature, keeping it bright and clear. Safety is a priority. This headlight assembly provides a clearer and longer vision, helping you spot obstacles like deer or falling rocks. This helps to reduce potential dangers on the road. Rest assured, this headlight assembly is DOT and SAE compliant, ensuring safety for you and other drivers. The adjusting screw allows you to fine-tune the beam level for a perfect fit. The package includes both the driver's and passenger's side assemblies. Bulbs are not included. It's the best option to replace your old headlights. What we like. These headlights offer a quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. Its waterproof design ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh conditions. If you value safety and want a hassle-free upgrade, consider this. You'll get a brighter, clearer view of the road ahead. What people say. These lights made such an impression when we started driving at night. With the way lights start to fog up with age and make the light not as bright, this was definitely a huge difference. They were easy to install and fit perfect. The quality was excellent and functioned. Awesome, perfect fit. Can say they're 3x brighter than my old ones. Install was kinda a hassle, has nothing to do with the product other than them feeling kinda brittle. All in all, you get your money's worth and look great from the old, as you can see. Number 2. AmeriLite Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500 HD LED headlights. Are you looking to upgrade your Dodge Ram's headlights? These AmeriLite headlights are designed specifically for your truck. They are a perfect fit and will enhance your vehicle's appearance. These headlights fit 94-01 Dodge Ram 1500 and 94-02 Ram 2500 3500 models. Please note that they do not fit the Ram Sport version. Make sure this is the right fit for your truck. Rest assured, these headlights meet or exceed all US and Canadian regulations. You can be confident that they are safe and legal for use on the road. Installation is a breeze. These headlights are a direct OEM replacement, meaning no modifications are needed. Simply swap out your old headlights for these new ones. This set includes both the driver, left, and passenger, right, side headlights. Everything you need is included in the package, ready for installation. We stand behind the quality of our product. You're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. Purchase with confidence. What we like. This headlight set is a direct replacement, making installation straightforward. It meets all US and Canadian regulations, ensuring safety. If you want a simple, compliant upgrade, this is a great choice. You'll get a reliable and safe lighting solution. What people say. Easy to install. The daytime running lights look so good and quite bright. Light pattern is really good. They look and work great. They come with good instructions and are easy to install and wire up. Really happy with the brightness and look of these lights. Number 1. ACANII Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500 LED headlights. Introducing the ACANII LED Halo headlights, designed for your Dodge Ram. This assembly includes both the driver and passenger side lenses and housing. It's a perfect replacement for your stock assembly. These headlights meet all regulations in the USA and Canada. They are DOT and SAE stamped, ensuring they meet safety standards. You can trust them for full illumination and maximum safety. These headlights are designed as a direct replacement for your existing ones. Installation instructions are not included, so it's recommended to have them installed by a qualified professional. The package includes the lens and housing. Please note that professional installation is recommended. Also, a signature may be required upon delivery. We offer a 30-day return policy. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can return it within 30 days. Get yours today and upgrade your vehicle's look and safety. What we like. These headlights feature a stylish LED halo ring, giving your truck a modern look. They meet all regulations for safety. If you're looking to upgrade your truck's style and safety, this is a great choice. You'll love how it enhances your truck's appearance. What people say. The light quality and brightness is unbelievable compared to stock headlights. Very straightforward to install, adjustment is easy to make. These lights are pretty bright and were easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.